Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today. So we can have this quick flip through all my recent art journals. My box is full and I now need a new box, and I thought I'll go through it all with you guys. This is the Art by Marlene art journal. I'm gonna link down below in the description all the links to all these art journals that I'm gonna show today. These are the Chubby Chicks art journal by Art by Marlene, and this was one of Simon Says stamp kit. It was about ants. It was so much fun. I created this little journal for it, and this one is all shakers for a gardener person in your life who loves plants. It is so cute, full with the tags and the shaker elements. This was by Vicky Spellbinder. She designed it for Spellbinders. It's Birdhouses through the seasons. I created all the seasons and I made one. I put them all, bind them all in one art journal. And this was from Doodlebug Designs. It was a Christmas, I think, not the last one, the one before. I think 2020. And I created this snow globe shaped journal. And I made all these scenes inside. Look how cute they are. And then this was the recent one for this Valentine, this February. I created one for my sister-in-law and I created another one for myself just to show you how it would look like with the photos. So we keep privacy for her photos. And then this one was, I think, 2020 fall season, also by Doodlebug Designs. Look how beautiful it is. I made the barn on the outside from honeybee stems, build the barn. And this one was by The Misses by Karen. I did make the Spice Girls, and I did put one sentiment or a quote in front of each one of them that matches their each of the 5 girls' personalities, the Spice Girls. This is also a fun art journal. I created these pages with the tag kit from Art by Marlene. And this is a Doodlebug release that was called Baked with Love. I made this the cover from outside in one video, and then I made the inserts in another video, and then I started filling them. Look how cute, everything matching and beautiful colors. And this one was my kids' scout race. It's called Pinewood Derby. This is how they designed their cars, and this was the race day, and I wrote a little journal of what happened and when it was. I have way more journals, but they were in the previous box of mine. This is the current box, and I have also others that are given to the people they were made for my friends and family members. This is a Doodlebug design art journal. Also, I created this castle and I did make a witch room in the inside. This was Art by Marlene 4x4. Look how cute everything is. All the background techniques and everything. I made them, I think, on 2 or 3 videos. Creating art journals is really so much fun for me. It takes, of course, longer than making a card, but it is so much fun. I find myself so happy and enjoying when I create them. Look how cute these are. Tag journals. And this is, I decided to just create these little scenes, and I colored with watercolors using all lawn fawn stamps, cute stamps. So this is it. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you had fun enjoying this flip through. So I'll see you all on my next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.